What's going on, guys? My name's Andrew. Welcome back to the channel. I had a subscriber send me a question in and asking about the heads-up display. For those of you who don't know, HUD is what they call it. It's short for head-up display, and it's exactly what it sounds. It's just nothing more than a little projector that sits above your instrument cluster, and there's a little square film of like this weird, it's projector film, and it reflects an image up that way. It has kind of a condensed information, kind of it's all the important information that you would need, you know, like your speed, your RPM, the gear selection and everything. But I didn't even know they had it, and I think this is a great question because I didn't even know this car had it until I got after the break-in period, and I got on the car and I noticed there's a shift light built into the heads-up display on this car. And I had a subscriber ask me, and I'll pull it up here. And you know the drill, guys, so we'll put it up here on the screen. And he said, it's from Darren Proc. He says, can you make a video on the shift light on the hood? I think you meant HUD, H-U-D. Believe me, dude, I get it. The autocorrect or with the voice text or whatever you did, no need to feel bad. It happens to me all the freaking time. I hate it. On the 2019 Camaro SS, 1SS, 1LE, and demonstrate how the shift light works and what it looks like. Have a great day. I think that's a great question, very valid point. And we will definitely take a look at this and get into it a little bit more. That's what I'm talking about, literally. I think it was a 68 or 69 Chevelle. Guy just pulled up and laid those black lines. I don't know if you can hear them. Anyways, that was awesome. I got everything set up here. I'm gonna get you guys set up. I did the very best I could to put you right in line with the heads-up display. So we're gonna go through it. I got into the owner's manual. I took a couple pictures and I'll put them up on the screen here. It says performance view. This displays digital speed indicators from speed view along RPM reading, transmission position, gear shift indicator, if equipped, shift timing light, if equipped, and lateral acceleration G-force indicators. Okay, so basically what I should say is not all Camaros, 6th gen Camaros have this feature. I'm not sure if like the 4-cylinder, 6-cylinders have it, but I know not all SSs don't. No, 1 SSs do not, 2 SSs do. All 1LE cars have it, and ZL1s, obviously, they've got everything. So those cars are the ones that are equipped with this function. It's awesome. And I believe this goes back to like the 90s. I think Cadillac was the guinea pig for this. If I'm wrong, or if you know something I don't, definitely hit me up in the comment section. So like I said, I'm gonna get you guys set up on the windshield here, and we'll go through this. I waited till sundown so that way it would have the very best chances of showing up on the windshield, or on the camera, I'm sorry. So let's go. Okay guys, I really hope that this is showing up. So anyways, this is what it looks like. You've got all your information right here. Upper left hand corner, it's so basically what I'll just give you like the rundown on HUD. You can move this any way you want. You can rotate it, you know, you can tilt it, tilt the horizon line on it, or whatever. You can even change like the info, whether you want just the speed. You can have a compass plus your speed, or you can have, which I prefer, you know, you're gonna have your RPM, you're gonna have your speed, and you're gonna have your G-force. But also built into that, and like I said, I didn't run into this till after I'd like waited my break-in period, kind of gave it a little bit to give it a chance to everything to seat in. But let's get going here. There's a shift light built into it, and you'll notice, I'll get stopped here again. You'll notice that once you go above 3,000, there's gonna be a series of green lights that, they're diamonds actually, I'm sorry. Green diamonds that are gonna turn to yellow diamonds, and they're gonna progressively work their way inward. Once you see 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes into the next one, and once they start flashing, you definitely need to shift. But actually, the owner's manual says that once they meet in the middle, it's time to shift. I think that's a little early, especially if you're gonna no lift shift. But I'll give you guys a demo, and then I'm gonna try to set this up. I'll go like 1080p, and then I'm gonna slow it down to like 240 frames a second. That way we can really get the slow-mo and you guys can see it. I'll try to zoom in here, but anyways, so the shift light comes on when you're at a certain throttle percentage and the TAC goes above 3 grand. Now I think you have to be, I can't find any information on this, but I think you have to be like maybe half throttle, or not half throttle, I'm sorry, but like 3/4 throttle or full throttle in order to activate this. But you'll see right here, I'll just go above 3 grand, maybe like a 1/3 throttle, and it doesn't come up, right? But if I go back down to about 1,500, and then I go like all the way up, you'll see the lights. And that's pretty much what it is. My God, this camera's low here. You're gonna have to work with me here because my hand wants to bump that camera. It's literally like a 1/2 inch from my steering wheel. So if you go first gear and go like 3/4 throttle, there's green, yellow, red, and you'll see, let's go, slow back down here. But if you go, you'll see how the lights work their way inward, and they go from green, yellow, red, and once they meet in the middle, it is time to shift. Like I said, if they're flashing, definitely grab the next gear ASAP to try to do, you know, try to minimize any kind of damage, or, you know, reduce that window of it having anything bad happen. So I'm gonna go over to Slo-Mo, and I'm gonna try to get a shot, and we'll see if we can't slow it down, and I'll put this up here right now for you. So thank you, Darren, for today's video. If you guys have any questions or anything else that I can help you out with, definitely hit me up in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I try to answer everybody, and we will definitely see you guys on the next one.